The Karnataka Cabinet has cleared a series of key proposals approving funding for infrastructure, irrigation, industry, healthcare, and welfare projects across the state. The Cabinet gave first phase approval of 320 crore rupees through the Karnataka Industrial Areas Development Board for a 700 crore rupees textile park in Kalaburgi with support from the centre. It also sanctioned 98.5 crore rupees for the Bilagi lift irrigation scheme in Bagalkot district to provide irrigation to 7,000 acres using Kaveri River water. To strengthen healthcare, the Cabinet approved 26 crore rupees under the National Programme for Control of Blindness to improve eye care services for young children. Another 26 crore rupees was sanctioned to develop a 60-acre tree park at the new government electrical factory. The Cabinet also approved 33 crore rupees through the Minorities Department for distributing sports uniforms and educational materials to students. For industrial development, KIADB was authorized to release 30 crore rupees for setting up a common facility center at the Aerospace Park in Devanahalli. The government also approved a new 5% concession in KIADB allotments for persons with disabilities under the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act. The benefit will be capped at either 10% of the land value or 20 lakh rupees, whichever is lower. Meanwhile, Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar announced that the Cabinet had decided to declare all roads as government roads, adding that the government would bring in the necessary legal provisions for its implementation.